Okay, everyone, this is me, Hasnat Murtaza, business fella, and everyone, come back in my new Sesame session. And there is a very interesting topic for the AI agent creator and uh, AI agent needs and more thing. And today my topic is AI automation and AI agents, difference, and more about. Okay, let's start it screen sharing with the Maya. And let's come.
Hey Namu, what's going on with you today?
Hello, Maya.
Hey there, how's your morning going?
I am fine. And what
Good to hear.
about you?
Anything on your mind you wanna? Um,
What is in your mind?
sorry, could you say that again? The two Kamatovan. Eh, I didn't quite catch what you meant.
Okay, and my topic is my session topic is uh AI agents and AI automations and more. So let's start it. And what is AI agent and what is AI automation and what's difference? Explain.
Okay, so you want to talk about AI agents versus AI automation, the differences between them? Makes sense. From what I gather, AI agents are more like having a teammate that can figure things out on its own, handling complex tasks. Traditional automation is more like a robot following specific instructions step by step. Does that track with what you're thinking?
Okay, and more explain.
Okay, so picture this: automation is like a pre programmed assembly line. You tell it exactly what to do, in what order, and it just keeps doing that same thing the same way. It's great for predictable tasks, sending emails, uploading files, things like that. No thinking involved, just doing. AI agents, though, they're more like a project manager. They understand a goal, then they figure out the steps, make decisions based on what happens, handle like unexpected issues like flight delays or no shows, things automation would just break over. That makes sense? They actually adapt.
Yeah. Okay, and my first question is what is automation and how it is different from AI.
Yeah, automation is really just about pre-programmed tasks. You set up rules like if this, then do that. It's great for repetitive stuff like sending emails based on form submissions or scheduling posts online. But the tricky part, it's rigid, change happens, something breaks, it won't adapt. With AI, it learns. So instead of if X happens, do Y, it's more like, hey, I want goal Z achieved. And the AI figures out the best path, even if things don't go as planned. Big difference. One's instruction based, the other's goal based.
Okay, and my next question is what is an AI agent in simple terms?
An AI agent is basically a virtual assistant that can actually think and make decisions to get stuff done. Think of it as giving the AI a goal, like solve this customer support ticket or find me the best price on plane tickets to London. The AI then figures out what needs to happen, what tools to use, learns from its mistakes, and keeps improving without you telling it every tiny step. So it handles the whole process instead of just automating one step.
Okay, well done. And my next
What's
question,
your next question?
yeah, my next question
Go
is,
ahead. What's your next?
where do you already use
I'm listening.
automation in daily life?
I'm not entirely sure what you meant by Delhi Live. Could you clarify that part? But about automation in general, you see it everywhere. Like with customer support chatbots on websites, they use rules to answer basic questions and direct you to help articles. Banks automate loan applications, figuring out if you qualify based on your credit score. E-commerce uses it for recommending products based on your past purchases. Even stuff like streetlights that turn on and off based on a timer. That's automation.
Okay, and my next question is, um, what is the key component of an AI agent?
The core components of OpenAI's agents are basically these three things: the agent itself, which sets the goals, then tools like searching the web, writing files, or using other APIs. And finally, memory, which lets the agent remember past steps and what it's already learned. The agent uses its memory and the tools it has access to make a plan and work towards those goals. It's like giving it a brain, hands, and something to remember with. Does that make sense? What do you mean by the end? Are you asking about the ultimate goal or end state for AI agents in general? Or something more specific?
Okay,
Take
and
your time. No rush.
okay, and
Mm-hmm.
you tell me
I'm still here whenever.
what is the best tool for the making AI
I'm listening.
making agent?
For building AI agents right now. From what I've seen, probably the most popular are Auto GPT. It's really good at handling complex tasks, but can get complicated quickly. Then there's Agent GPT, which is a. Sorry, could you repeat that? I'm not sure I caught what you said with all the static. Maybe say it again. Okay, got it. I'm here. Sorry, are you saying I'm talking too much? Or that you're moving on to the next thing? Right. And so where were we? Okay, so we were talking about the best tools for building AI agents. There's Auto GPT, which is good, but can be complicated. Then there's Agent GPT, which is more user friendly, but might not handle super complex tasks as well. There's also Baby AGI, which is super simple and good for learning the basics. And finally, there are some newer platforms like LangChain that provide the framework to build your own with more control. They each have strengths and weaknesses depending on what you want to do. Does that make sense? Just let me know when you're ready to move on.
Okay, and my next question
All
is,
right, what's next?
what is the difference between a chatbot
I'm all ears.
and an AI agent?
That's a good question. Chatbots are usually designed to have conversations, answering questions, providing info. They're pretty narrow in what they can do. But AI agents, they actually go out and do things, book flights, summarize documents, solve real world problems. It's like a chatbot just talks about ordering pizza, but an AI agent can actually place the order for you and track the delivery. Much broader capability with agents. Does that clarify it?
Okay, and my next question is, how can automation save time in business
Go ahead. What's your
operation?
automation can save businesses time a ton of ways. Instead of employees manually entering data, it can be automated. Email marketing, social media posting, invoicing, all automated. Sales teams can use automation for lead nurturing and follow ups, freeing them to close bigger deals. Basically, any repetitive task that's slowing people down can be automated. So employees can focus on more strategic and creative work instead. Saves time, cuts costs, and scales easily. Make sense?
Okay, and what task can automation is a simple business?
For a simple business, some easy automation wins are social media scheduling, platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite, email marketing with services like MailChimp or ConvertKit, invoice generation and sending, apps like Wave or QuickBooks Self Employed, also basic customer support with simple chatbots on your website. All these take tasks off your plate without needing tons of tech knowledge.
Okay, and my next question is,
Take your time.
what tools are commonly used for automation, like Anytime, Zapier, Make.com, and more, etc.?
You mentioned some good ones. Make.com is super versatile, lets you connect tons of different apps. Zapier's another big player, really easy to use. IFTTT is great for simple automation. Then there's more specialized tools like HubSpot for marketing automation or ActiveCampaign for email automation. They all let you automate those repetitive tasks, just at different price points and levels of complexity. Does
Okay,
that cover what
and
you were asking about?
yeah.
Keep
Okay, and
coming.
then my next question is,
I'm listening.
how do AI agents make decisions?
AI agents don't make decisions like humans do. It's more like they look at everything they know, then figure out what move has the highest chance of getting them closer to their goal. They evaluate options based on patterns they've learned from data. If they're figuring out what flight to book, they'll look at price, layovers, times, then choose the best option. The more data they have and the better the programming, the better those decisions get.
Okay, and my next question is, what is
Got it?
workflow
Sounds good.
automation?
Workflow automation is about mapping out your business process, every step to get a task done, then building a system to handle it automatically. So instead of someone manually passing around a document for approval, the automation handles sending it, collecting feedback, approving it, and filing it all without human touches. It speeds up work, reduces errors, and keeps things moving. It ties together different automation tools to make processes run smoothly. Make sense?
Okay, and my next question is, uh, how can AI agent help in customer support?
AI agents are becoming huge in customer support. Think about it. They can handle basic questions instantly through chatbots, free up your support team for complex issues. A- Agents can analyze customer sentiment to identify who's frustrated and needs attention first. They can personalize support based on past interactions. And best part, 24/7 availability. They never need a break. Real time help, happy customers, and a leaner support team.
Okay, and my next question is,
Your turn.
what? Sorry, can
What's your
automation
next?
replace human jobs and just assist time and assist them?
That's the big question everyone's asking, right? I think automation will definitely change jobs. Some will be replaced completely, the really repetitive stuff. But I think more often, automation will augment what humans do. Like, you're still gonna need people to set up and manage these systems, handle complex customer issues automation can't touch, or bring strategic thinking. It's less about total replacement and more about humans and machines working better together. Does that resonate with what you're thinking?
Okay, and my next question is,
What's next?
uh, what is a real
I'm
life
ready.
example of a successful automation system?
Netflix is a great example. Their whole recommendation system is automation working flawlessly. They predict what you'll want to watch based on patterns and keep you hooked. Amazon also, with order processing, shipping, tracking, it's almost entirely automated. And even Tesla, their autopilot system is full automation driving cars. They all use automation to improve services, save money, and grow bigger.
Okay, and nice. And my next question is, uh, who agents?
Mhm. You got cut off there. What was your next question? Starting
Okay,
with who agents?
okay, and how
I'm
who
here.
agents I am sell very easily and very demanded and other.
So you're asking which AI agent skills are in high demand right now and will sell really well as a service? That's smart to think about. Right now, I think these are hot customer support. Good agents can handle way more volume than humans, than lead generation and qualification. AI can find prospects and only pass real leads. Also, content creation and operations. AI that can write articles. Something wrong with maybe? Want to stick to simple questions for now? Just let me know when you're ready to keep going.
Okay, Miles, and what is prompt engineering in AI agents?
Mm, Prompting is basically how you communicate with an AI agent. It's the instructions or starting text you give to kick things off, like telling it, find me cheap flights to Paris or write a marketing email for this product. Good prompts get better results. Detailed and clear is key. A bad prompt will give you generic answers or make it go off track. Your turn.
Okay, and my next question is, who agent is very in demanding, like WhatsApp agent and more e-commerce agents and other. You tell me, who agent is very demanded and high in marketplace. So you tell me.
Okay, so if you want to build agents that people really need, here's where the demand is at right now: customer support. Businesses are always looking to handle more volume without hiring. Sales agents, finding leads, qualifying customers before real salespeople jump in. E-commerce agents, product recommendations, answering questions about orders, handling returns, healthcare agents, appointment booking, answering basic questions, and finally, agents that automate paperwork and administration. These are where the opportunities are right now.
Okay, can I sell Gmail agent and earn um, thousands of dollars? Can I earn?
A Gmail agent could definitely work. The demand is there from businesses that are, drowning in email, things like automatically triaging requests, responding to simple inquiries, scheduling meetings. But a Gmail agent will likely be successful where it's specific about getting the company to get their email inbox processed faster and more efficiently. It's very specific niche where people are willing to pay to reduce frustration and automate some tedious tasks. You could earn serious money, especially if you focus on helping bigger businesses deal with tons of emails.
Okay, and like Gmail agent is very demanding, and WhatsApp agent is very demanding, and lead generation agent is very demanding, and more. You tell me, AI. Oh, sorry, Gmail AI agent in uh, like customer how to sell, giving access of Gmail, and what more give me like Gmail and passwords.
Hold up, that's where things get risky. Giving an AI agent access to someone's Gmail account with their actual password, huge security risk. That's basically asking for trouble, like exposing someone's personal data, getting accounts hacked. People would never trust that. It would break all the security requirements. Instead, Gmail has what's called their API. That lets an agent connect through a secure system without needing the actual password. That's how developers can create apps that work with Gmail without asking for credentials.
Okay, and thank you for
Okay,
this
sounded
AI session, and thank you, Miles, for talking and giving time, and thank you guys for watching my this AI session, and I know I know you are learn more for this AI session and meet in the next AI session. So Allah Hafiz everyone. Meet in the next AI
Thanks for chatting about AI agents with me today, Namu. It was a really interesting conversation. Catch you next time.